Hi everyone, my name is Peter. I'm an LED driver IC product manager at Macroblock. Today, I will quickly share the shooting issue and the technical breakthrough with LED display for extended reality application. Let's start it. The pixel pitch of LED display for extended SLR fails between pitch 1.5 to pitch 2.8 mm. We can pick the right LED display for backdrop, ceiling, and floor based on what we shoot. LED display creates an excellent shooting environment. It's not limited by time, location, and space. It's a godsend for performers, producers, and post-production crews, as it perfectly realizes the creator ideas. However, the high-end camera for XR2 presents some technical challenges for visual performance of LED displays. 60 FPS sources are very common today. In other words, 60 images are played in a second. For smoother video playback, Macroblock IC uses PWM technology. As the driver IC receives one image, it will break it up to 64 sub-images. The brightness is one of 64 of the original. We call this technology Scramble. 60 images are shown in a second. Each image is broken into 64 sub-images. In the end, we totally have 3,840 images per second. It's the concept of the visual refresh rate, which is 3,840 Hz. Let's look into the Scramble does. Fine pitch LED displays are often based on the time-multiplexing architecture. A time-multiplexing architecture LED driver IC can control multiple arrows of LEDs, trimming the PCB layouts. As shown in the figure, the display will light up line by line, complete the display of one to multiple scrambles. You must have observed that with the way it displays, LED continue to turn on and off while showing the image. In theory, we should be able to see the screen flicker. However, the precision of vision of the human eyes, if the display refresh rate is faster than the precision of the vision time, our eyes can hardly detect the LED flicker. Having seen how LED displays show the image, we need to understand XR issue arises as it uses camera to see the LED display, which leads to many issues our eye cannot see. It also means we need LED display with better specs. As to LED display for XR shooting, we can sum up three major shooting issues and challenges. Challenge 1, scan line. The picture demonstrates how scan line affects the visual effect. The cost of scan line is related to the shutter time. The picture shows two cameras. One has a shorter exposure time, the other is longer. Given the scramble concept, you will see a 2 times brightness difference between the first 3 line and the lesser 2 with the short exposure camera, and a minor difference for the long exposure one. We can understand that the longer exposure time of the camera, the less likely we will see scan line. However, we cannot control the CMOS photosensitive frequency in various cameras. Therefore, driver ICs will increase the refresh rate to mitigate the brightness difference between lines, and then to reduce or even solve scan lines. From traditional PWM Enhancement and to PWM Enhancement Plus, Macroblock driver ICs provide up to 7,680 Hz refresh rate with 120 Hz and even 240 Hz high frame rate. They significantly reduce the effect of the scan line and support 16-bit grayscale, with high contrast display for more detailed images. Okay, let's go to challenge 2, display latency. Let's watch the video first. We can see the video lets lagging affect view quality. Smooth playback is an important aspect of the picture quality. To lower transmission latency, we need to improve the transmission speed of front-end image signal. The LED display also needs to support low latency transmissions. With 120 FPS high frame rate HDR source, the time to send image data is half of 60 FPS source. It needs to deal with twice as much transmit data in unit time. To address the low latency challenge of LED display, our driver ICs feature embedded D-clock double edge trigger and internal G-clock among other technologies, so that the LED display can achieve high resolution and support high frame rate HDR source for improved image quality. The last challenge is low grayscale flicker. Let's watch the video and you will notice the obvious flickers. Okay, let's go back to the actual shot. Remember the scramble splitting the brightness of an image into many scrambles? It's great to split into many scrambles if the original image is very bright. Many scrambles represent a high refresh rate, so there will be no flickering. However, low brightness image cannot support multiple scrambles. Sometimes camera gets the scrambles, sometimes doesn't. This causes flicker under low grayscale condition. Driver IC need to solve the issue by increasing low grayscale refresh rate. To have a better contrast rate, driver ICs with Macroblock hypervision calculation technology can provide the ultimate low grayscale performance, as the video shows. Now, let's summarize the 3 SR shooting challenges and the corresponding Macroblock driver IC technologies. Scanline issues. PWM Enhancement Plus enables a high 7680 Hz refresh rate and reduce the scanline phenomena. Low latency transmission. Designed for 120 FPS plus, high frame rate, embedded D-clock double edge trigger and internal G-clock. Low grayscale flickers. While displaying low grayscale images, hypervision calculation kicks in to boost refresh rate of low grayscale images, resolving the flicker issues. Macroblocks introduced the following solutions for SR applications with pitch 1.5 to pitch 2.8 mm. Our common KSAR solutions meeting power-saving needs have been patented in the US and many other countries. The 48 channels, 32 scan, MBI 5762 is our XR mainstay. Also, the 48 channel, MBI 5780 supports higher scans and will dominate the future sub-pitch 1.0 market. Let's not forget the common anode solutions that are relatively mature in tech applications. MPI 5264 provides the best-in-class performance for 64 scan applications. MPI 5265 continue to lead the market in ultra-high scan applications. Responding to evolving marketing, Macroblock continues to improve our LED driver ICs technologies. We are committed to being our client's best partner as we grow with the LED display industry with innovative products and technologies. Thank you for your listening. See you next time.